Find the square root of 324. 324. First 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 remains 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4. Again take 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. Now take 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. Again 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now we have to write it as under root of 324 is equal to under root of 2 into 2, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, again 3 into 3. 2 to group, 2 take it out, 2, 3 into 3 comes 1 3, again 3 into 3, again 1 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18 is answer. Under root of 324 is equal to 18.